This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, good morning. So welcome to the 90. My name is Ratan. Yes, we're discussing core Java assignments, and in this video we'll go for the assignment. Just check the assignment, guys. Take the starting number and take the ending number. Just take the starting number and take the ending number. If you enter the first number is a lower value, last number is higher value. First number is less than or equal to what? Last number, right? It is a true. Print all the numbers from starting to ending, right? Low to high value will get. Because first number is a lower value means what, low to high we have to print, right? And the first number greater than or equal to last number. First number is a big value. First number is a big value when compared to last number what you entered. Then you need to print the data from high to low. Because you got the point, right? So if you enter the data like low to high or high to low. So if you enter the data like 1 to 10 means print the data from 1 to 10. If you enter the 10 to 1 means print data from 10 to 1. Got the point? Huh? Yes. Can please pause the video, guys. Can please start write this assignment. Basic level, if you write these kind of assignments, you'll get more analysis, guys. Otherwise, you can watch the video multiple times to get the more clarity, right? Yeah. Because I'm doing this practical using Edit plus Editor. Go to the file menu, click on the new Java. Test class I want to take. Take the data, guys. Take this first starting number. Take the ending number. Okay, fine. Because take the starting number means enter first value, right? Enter first number. Enter starting number. Better. Enter the starting number, right? So now enter what? Enter the starting number. Next one is how to take that number. First we need to take the scanner class. Scanner s equal to what? New scanner. System dot in we have, right? Enter the starting number. If to get the starting number, scanner dot what next int. Then you please take the integer number start number, right? Exactly. Can please take the ending number, the system dot out dot println of. So he can write the message, enter ending number, right? Ending number. Can please take that ending number also, scanner dot whatever next int. Scanner at next int, then you can take the int ending number, right? Exactly. So you taken the starting number and you taken what ending number, right? Starting number, ending number. Once you taken the starting number and ending number, and the scanner class belongs to util package. Can you please import the java data util dot which class here? Scanner class. Because now you can check the code. Condition. If condition, if start less than or equal to end. Start less than or equal to end means what? This is low to high, right? Because starting value lesser value, ending value higher value. Something like start value something like 4, end value is like 10. Then start value is 4, end value is 10. I think 4 less than or equal to 10. True, right? True means you can print the data. While loop, let me guess. While loop, what I can say? Start, let me guess, less than or equal to what? End. Start less than or equal to end. Then you need to print the values, right? System dot out dot println enough. Start value I want to print. Then let me increment what start value, right? That's it, guys. First I'm taking the while condition. When starting value less than or equal to what? Ending value. 4 less than or equal to 10. True. True means what happened? Tell me. 4 printed. Then 5. 5 less than or equal to 10. 6 less than or equal to 10. Printed. 7 less than or equal to 10. Printed. 8 less than or equal to 10. 9 less than or equal to 10. 10 less than or equal to 10. Then all the values are printed or not? Guys, yes or no? Yes. Guys, can you please execute up to this code, ma? So let me right click, save this code. The file is what? Test.java file. Just open the command prompt. Local disk D. Java the application is what? Test.java. This code is compiled fine. Java the class is which class now? Test class. Enter the starting number 4. Okay, 4. Ending number is a 10. Because 4 to 10 is printing properly, right? Very good. This is working code. So for example, else block, because else block means when the else block executed, tell me. When the start value he given the 10, end value given the 4. Then what happened guys? This condition is matched, not matched, not matched. It is not matched means then control goes to else block, right? Yes, control goes to which block? Control goes to else block or not? Exactly. When the control goes to else block, then we need to take the while loop. Again while loop. But tell me guys, this while loop, start value less or equal to 10 or greater than equal to 10? Greater than. The start value is greater, right? Exactly. Then you print the start value. You know the start value printed, tell me 10 is printed. After 10 is first one is what ma? 10, right? Start is greater than, because 10 is greater than, right? Because previously start less or equal to 10. Now start is greater value. Now starting value bigger value or not? Start is greater than or equal to end. Then start I'm printing 10. After printing the 10, what we need to do? First 10 has to print. Then 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Like that I want to print. Now what we need to do guys? You want increment, you want decrement now. You have to do the decrement, right? That's what you need to go for the minus minus. Start minus minus. I think you got the clarity, right? Yes. Guys can save this code. After saving, just you can compile this code. Code is compiled fine. Code executed fine. Let's enter the starting value is 8, ending value is 4. 8 to 4 is printing properly. Let's enter the starting value is the 10, ending value is the 4. So guys, 10 to 4 means highest to lowest, right? You given the starting value is a 10, guys. So now you given the starting value is 10, right? If you given the starting value is a 10, ending value is a 4, then what happened guys? Run this code. We got the 10 to 4 or not? Very simple, guys. Just we know if condition, you need to check while loops. Just conditions we need to maintain, guys. That's it. When you do this kind of examples, you're able to think and you're able to write the code, right? You feel that you're able to write the code. If start less than equal to end, start less than equal to end means uh, starting value is lower value, higher value. Lower to higher means what? Start plus plus, right? Increment. But starter value second one is what? Greater value. Starting value greater means what? Print the starting value. Starting value is a greater value. It is like 10. Now you want incrementer, decrementer, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Like that you want decrement, right? That is the code, guys. Is that clear, right? See if someone is asking like start to end even numbers. Here instead of printing this starting value, just we need to check that even number, right? So now 4 to 10 I want print even numbers. Guys, continuation here you can see, because you can take this code first. After that let me change that is even numbers and odd numbers. Starting to ending, ending to starting, even numbers and odd numbers I want to print. Just to print the even numbers, very simple, right? Don't print the data. You need to print the data by checking the condition, right? What the condition tell me? If uh, tell me if what? If that number, we are printing the starting number, right? When we need to print that number, if that start percentile to double equal to 0, then only can print that number, right? Yes, then only can print that number. Otherwise starting while incrementing, right? Exactly. Here also you can do the same condition. If I didn't take any braces, because if only one statement means brace is not required, right? Otherwise for your satisfaction, let me take the braces also. This is the braces for this one. And here also you can put the braces, right? Here also you can put the braces. Okay, clear, right? Yes. Previously printing that number, start number is printing, but now the number is printed only for the even case, right? Yes, number is printed only for what? Even numbers and odd numbers or not? Because I'm printing only even numbers here, not odd numbers, printing only even numbers. Code is compiled fine, code executed fine. Enter the starting number. Starting number is a 4, ending number is a 9. See guys, even numbers are what? 4, 6, 8, right? Because previously printing the start means all the numbers are printing, but now just you are writing one small condition, even condition, right? Exactly. Because even see, for example, 10 to 10 is a starting number, 3 is ending number. Then see, 10 is even number, 8 is even number, 6 is even number, 4 is even number, right? 10, 8, 6, 4. Is it clear now? 10, 8. 10, 8 and what? 6, 4, right? Exactly, guys. Is it clear now? That is information. It's like that you're in a position to apply the conditions, guys. Just time printing the like starting number to ending number, then printing the start means what the starting to ending number is printing. But if you want print even numbers means what, just we need to add one small condition, right? If condition we need to add. Guys, I think you understood, right? Yes. This is like printing the numbers, guys. This is like printing the even numbers. If you want to print odd numbers means what we need to do, guys? Simply here not equal we have to make simply. Here also not equal we have to make. Printing like even numbers, odd numbers, right? Again, execute the code. Just you can enter the starting value 10, ending value is a 4. You can see 9, 7, 5 is odd numbers. So, for example, if you enter the starting number is a 2, ending number is 9. So, you guys, 2 to 9, what the odd numbers? 3, 5, 7, 9. I think you got the clarity, right? What I'm talking. Guys, yes or no? Getting the clarity or not? Yes, guys, that is the information. Hmm? So I think you understood that starting number given, ending number given, between printing all numbers you understood, printing even numbers you understood, printing odd numbers you understood, printing lower to higher you understood, printing higher to lower also you understood, right? These are all the possible cases, guys. You just to pause the video, can you please take all the assignments here? These conditions you have to take at the point, right? Yeah. Guys, I'm giving all assignments for you to make yourself be a good developer in real time. So please like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos, right? Yeah, I'm going to give the good content for you guys. Then you need to give some publicity to Ratan sir. Take care about Ratan sir publicity. Yeah, definitely, guys. Thank you, guys. Meet in next video. We'll go for next question. Thank you.